In this session, we are going to find out the roots of the quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Hi, I'm Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. The question is, find the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0 by factorization. So given this equation, x square minus 3x minus of 10 is equals to 0. So how to factorize this equation? Let us try to see. The first step is try to take this last value, multiply that by the first value. So what happens? It is minus 10 is being multiplied by x square. So we get minus 10 x square. What we are doing? Minus 10 is being multiplied by x square and we get the value as minus 10 x square, right? Now what you have to do is, now multiply in such a way that you get this minus 10 x square. Choose two numbers in such a way that when you multiply you have to get minus 10 x square, but when you add these two values you have to get minus 3x. Let us see what are the possibilities. Let us first start with 5 2s are 10. You know this one. 5 2s are 10, but x square is there, so can I write that as 5x and 2x, so that 5 2s are 10, x into x will become x square, right? Then because you have to get minus sign over here, can I write this as minus 5x? So what happens? It is minus 5 times of 2. Will it become minus 10x square? Because minus into plus will be minus. So let us see over here what we have. Minus 5x is being multiplied by 2x. So what happens? 5 2s are 10. Minus into plus will be minus, x into x will become x square. So are you getting that one? Minus 10x square. But now if you add it, minus 5x plus 2x it is. So this x will be retained as it is. Minus 5 plus 2, is it not minus 3x? Are you getting it over here? So if you add, you are getting minus 3x, but if you multiply these two numbers, minus 5x into 2x, you are getting minus 10 x square. So this is how you have to choose this values, minus 5x and 2x. So let me write down. Once we have got this one, we will write down x square. In place of this minus 3x, I am writing down minus 5x plus 2x, and this minus 10 as it is equals to 0. Now let us try to group the first two value and the last two value. So from these two values, what can be taken common here? Can you tell me what can be taken common here? Yes, x can be taken common outside. So if you take x common outside, you are left out with x over here minus. Because x is taken common outside, what will be left out over here? Minus of 5, right? Right here, what can be taken common outside? Okay, tell me quickly, what can be taken outside over here? Can I take plus 2 outside, right? So if you take plus 2 outside, what will be left out inside? It is x minus 2 times of what value will give you 10? It is 5, is equals to how much? Is equals to 0. Can you further tell me what can be taken common outside here? Yes, what can be taken common outside? X minus 5 and x minus 5 can be taken common outside. So x minus 5 is taken common outside. Now what is left out now? Here x is left out and here plus 2 is left out, is equals to 0. So we have factorized the quadratic equation and we have got the factors x minus 5 and x plus 2. They are called the factors of the quadratic equation, but we need to find out the roots. So how to find out the roots? Let us try to take this x minus 5 and this is being equated to what? It is equals to 0, or x plus 2 will be equals to 0. So why is that we are equating this to 0? Because the product is equals to 0. So when the product will be equals to 0? If any one of the value is equals to 0, right? Now let us keep this x value as it is, send this minus of 5 on the other side, this minus of 5 will become plus 5, and over here x plus 2 is equals to 0 is there, x will be equals to, this plus 2 goes on the other side, plus 2 will become minus of 2. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. So therefore you can write, therefore the roots of the quadratic equations are, first I'll write down the smaller value minus 2, then the next value 5. That's the solution of the quadratic equation. So we have got the final solution, as the roots of the quadratic equations are minus 2 comma 5. So that's all I have for this. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.